Professor Black Ops, you see it. Let's get it. Lawyer apologized for fake court citations from ChatGPT. So he's using artificial intelligence, aka ChatGPT, but he's not double checking the references and stuff. So let's read the article super short. The meteoric rise of ChatGPT is shaking up multiple industries, including law, as one attorney recently found out. Robert Mateo sued Evercon Airlines for injuries he said he sustained from a serving court while on the airline in 2019, claiming negligence by an employee. Stephen Schwartz, an attorney with 11th and Oberman and licensed in New York for over 3 decades, handles Mateo's representation. But at least 6 of the submitted cases by Schwartz as a research for brief appears to be bogus judicial decisions with bogus quotes and bogus internal citations, said Judge Kevin Castel of the Southern District of New York in an order. These fake case sources were ChatGPT. The court is presented with an unprecedented circumstance, Castle wrote in the May 4th order. Among the purported courses, Vargas versus China South Airlines, Martinez versus Delta Airlines. He cited a lot, all of which does not appear to exist to either the judge or the defense, the filing cited. So ChatGPT brought up these cases, I guess, were precedent, but none of them were real, right? Schwartz in the affidavit said that he had never used ChatGPT as a legal resource search prior to this case and therefore was unaware of the possibility that the content could be false. He accepted responsibility for not confirming the chatbot sources. Schwartz, the attorney, is now facing sanction hearing on June the 8th. In an affidavit this week, he said he greatly regret having utilized the generative artificial intelligence to supplement the legal research performed herein and will never do so in the future without absolutely verification of its authenticity. In late April, Amica lawyers from Cordon's Fourth penned a letter to Castel questioning the authenticity of the cases. In an affidavit filed Thursday, fellow attorney Peter said he had no reason to doubt the sincerity of Schwartz's research, that he had no role in the research. Schwartz was ordered to show cause why he shouldn't be sanctioned for the use of a false and fraudulent notarization in the affidavit on April 25th. Schwartz's affidavit Wednesday contained screenshots of the attorney appearing to confirm the authenticity of the cases with ChatGPT. Is Vargas a real case? Schwartz asked the chatbot. Yes, the chatbot doubled down and said it's a real case. Schwartz then asked for the source. The chatbot again claimed the false case was real. I apologize for the confusion earlier, ChatGPT replied. Upon doubling down, I found the case Vargas versus South China Airlines Ltd. That's the case number in the circuit court. Does indeed exist and can be found on legal research database such as Westlaw or LexisNexis. I apologize for any inconvenience or confusion with my earlier response may have caused. When Schwartz asked the chat bot if any of the cases were fake, ChatGPT replied other cases are real and could be found on the reputable legal database. So once again, when using ChatGPT, you got to double check those resources, right? This dude I doubt if he'll get this bored, but he definitely could get sanctioned, right? Which means he might not be able to practice for a certain amount of time or could be fined. But once again, I love ChatGPT, but you need to double check it when you're doing research. I use it on some of my work. I'm going to start doing a ChatGPT live and show you how I use it for GRC, but I always double check the sightings and the sources of ChatGPT. Once again, Professor Back Ops, we need to be double checking ChatGPT. Please subscribe.